Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. This is weekly test and in this test we will see questions from 11th of May till 17th of May. And in this test I have increased some level, so you will find and confront some brainstorming questions, so be ready for it. And this test will help you to test your progress, that whether you are moving forward or backward after watching the daily current affairs videos, and it will test your weaknesses, that where you are lagging, and if you are lagging you have to work on that area. So it provides you an opportunity for self improvement, and it also provides you an opportunity to revise the whole week's important current affairs question in just one video very quickly. So before we begin, everyone should take a page and a pen, mark answers of each question on your page, and at the end when we will match the answers, count your correct answers and then tell your score in the comment section. Don't hesitate to tell your answers and correct answers and score in the comment section. Today we will see 30 questions. So how many score you are getting out of 30? Tell in the comment. Even if it is low, you must tell it so that you work hard to improve it in the next test. And those who are getting it higher we must appreciate them, that they are working so hard to get through the examinations. So let's begin. The first question. Target Zero, which was launched in 1970s, aimed at elimination of, these are the options, whether it aimed to eliminate tuberculosis, swine flu, smallpox, or death due to hunger. Next question. The principle of absolute liability in the news recently is a part of, whether this principle of absolute liability is part of Article 19, 20, 21, 22. Mark your answer. Next question now. Traditionally, the supermoon or super flower moon is the blank full moon of the year, whether it is third full moon, fourth full moon of the year, fifth full moon, or sixth full moon. Mark your answer. Next question. Consider the following statements about death rate in India of data 2018. Jharkhand has the highest death rate in India and Delhi has the lowest death rate. Whether statement first and second both are correct, or either 2 is correct or 1 is correct, or none of the statements are correct. Mark your answer again. Let's move ahead now. National Center for Polar and Ocean Research is located in, these are the options. Read the options carefully. Mark your answer. Next question now. Pravasi Rahat Mitra app has been launched by, these are the options of list of states. Read the options. Mark your answer. Next question. Consider the following statements about birth rate in 2018. The national birth rate in 2018 stood at 24 per thousand of the population. Whether it is correct or not. The birth rate is higher in urban areas compared to rural areas because of the better healthcare system in urban areas. So whether both of the statements are correct, either 1 or 2 is correct, or none of the statements are correct. Mark your answer again. Next question now. Indian Railways Institute for Mechanical and Electrical Engineering is located in, these are the options. Mark your answer. Next question. Next question now. Which state or UT has the lowest birth rate in India? That was in 2018. These are the options. Read the options carefully. Mark your answer. Next question now. Nakula Pass is located in, whether it is located in Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Ladakh, or Arunachal Pradesh. Mark your answer again. Next question now. Doklam standoff between India and China happened in which year? These are the options. Mark your answer. Next question now. Consider the following statements about Feluda test. It is a paper strip test that detects coronavirus in an hour. It is the second such indigenous test kit to be developed in India based on CRISPR technology. Whether both of the statements are correct, or either of the statements are correct, or none of the statements are correct. Have a look on the statements. Mark your answer. Next question now. WHO officially declared world free from smallpox in, these are the years. Read the options. Mark your answer. Next question now. Bharosa in news recently is a. These are the options. Mark your answer. Next question now. Agriculture as a subject mentioned in which list? Whether it is mentioned in state list, union list, concurrent list or reserved list. Next question now. Why the National Technology Day is celebrated? These are the options. Read the options carefully and then mark your answer. Next question now. State of World's Nursing Report is released by, whether by UNESCO, UNICEF, WHO or World Bank. Mark your answer. Next question now. Gandhi Peace Prize was instituted during the commemoration of birth anniversary of Gandhi. So, which was that birth anniversary to which this Gandhi Peace Prize was instituted to commemorate that year? Next question now. Freedom to carry on any trade, business over internet enjoys constitutional protection under Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause B, Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause C, Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause G or Article 338. Next question now. Which enzyme makes men more vulnerable to COVID-19 than women? These are the options again. Read the options carefully. Recall what you have read and mark your answer again. Next question now. Teli Rumal cloth is famous in. These are the list of states. This is an easy question. Mark your answer. Next question now. FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana has been launched by. These are the options. Again, this question should be marked correctly. Next question now. What was the rank of India in Global Energy Transition Index? Read the options, mark your answer. Next question. Global Forest Resources Assessment Report 2020 is released by, whether by FAO, World Bank, UNESCO or World Economic Forum. Mark your answer again. Next question now. Lopinavir, ritonavir drugs are known to treat patients of Ebola, swine flu, HIV or all of the above. Next question. Oslo Peace Accords refers to agreements between which countries? These are the options. Read the options, mark your answer again. What is the salary of governors of states? Whether it is 3 lakh, 3.5 lakh, 4 lakh or 4.5 lakh. Next question now. The Amer Bhasa Dam is being built over Yamuna River, Indus River, Ghaggar River or Ramganga. Mark your answer. The next question now. GOAL, which is Going Online as Leaders program, is an initiative of. These are the options. Read the options and then mark your answer. The last question now. The famous Beijing Declaration is related to, whether acquisition of Taiwan, containment of COVID-19, equality for women or none of the above. Now let's match the answers. And after counting the correct number of questions, you must tell your score in the comment section. So let's begin. Target Zero, which was launched in 1970s and implemented since 1974, aimed at elimination of smallpox in the country. So here C is the right answer. Next question now. The principle of absolute liability in the news recently is a part of Article 21 of the Constitution. So here C is the right answer. And under absolute liability, a company, whether it is responsible for the accidents or not, it has to pay compensation for the loss. The next question now. Traditionally, the super flower moon is the blank full moon of the year. So it is 5th full moon of the year, which is called as super flower moon. So here C is the right answer for third. Question number 4th now. Consider the following statements about death rate in India for 2018. See, Jharkhand has the highest death rate in India? No. It is Chhattisgarh which has the highest death rate in India for 2018. So here statement first is wrong. And Delhi has the lowest death rate. This statement is correct. So here only 2 is correct. So A is the right answer for question number 4th. Question number 5th now. National Center for Polar and Ocean Research is located in. So this center is located in Goa. So here A is the right answer. Next question. Pravasi Rahat Mitra app has been launched by. So this app has been launched by UP. So here A is the right answer. Next question now. Consider the following statements about birth rate in 2018. See, the national birth rate in 2018 stood at 24 per thousand of the population. This statement is wrong. The national birth rate for 2018 was only 20 per thousand of the population. So first is wrong. Second, the birth rate is higher in urban areas compared to rural areas because of the better healthcare systems in urban areas. This statement is wrong. See, here some of you must have confused that because of the better healthcare system in urban areas. It is true that the healthcare system is better in urban areas, but still the birth rate is higher in rural areas and not in urban areas. Why? Because of illiteracy and the concept that if we have more number of hands will work in economic activities to earn bread. That is the concept followed in rural areas, which is responsible for higher birth rate in rural areas than urban areas. So here both of these statements are wrong. So D is the right answer for question number 7. Question number 8 now. Indian Railways Institute for Mechanical and Electrical Engineering is located in. So this institute is located in Jamalpur, which is in Bihar. So here C is the right answer. Next question now. Which state or UT has the lowest birth rate in India? That was in 2018. So it is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which has the lowest birth rate in India, and the highest birth rate is in Bihar. The next question now. Nakula Pass is located in. So this pass is located in Sikkim, and here A is the right answer for question number 10th. Question number 11th now. Doklam standoff between India and China happened in. So this standoff happened in 2017 at the tri-junction of India, Bhutan and China. The next question now. Consider the following statements about Feluda test. See, it is a paper test that detects the coronavirus in an hour. This statement is correct, and it is the second such indigenous test kit to be developed in India based on CRISPR technology. See, it is based on CRISPR technology. This part is correct, but it is not the second, but it is the first such indigenous test kit. So here only statement 1 is correct and 2 is wrong. So here only B has to be the right answer. Question number 13th now. WHO officially declared world free from smallpox in. So it was 1980 when WHO declared world free from smallpox. Next question now. Bharosa, which is in news recently, it is a helpline which has been launched in Central University of Odisha to help students fight against mental depressions during the lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic. The next question. Agriculture as a subject mentioned in. So this agriculture subject is mentioned in state list. So here A is the right answer. The next question now. Why the National Technology Day is celebrated? So this day is celebrated because of the day on which successful nuclear test was happened in India, that was called as Pokhran test, which made India a nuclear state. And so here none of these statements is correct, so D is the right answer. Question number 17th now. State of World's Nursing Report is released by. So this is released by World Health Organization. So here C is the right answer. Question number 18th. Gandhi Peace Prize was instituted during the commemoration of birth anniversary of Gandhiji. So it was 125th birth anniversary of Gandhiji, wherein this Peace Prize was instituted. And this Peace Prize is given either to person or institutions. It can be divided between these two, individual or institutions, and it is not given posthumously. The next question now. Freedom to carry on trade business over internet enjoys constitutional protection under. So this is provided under Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause Z. So here C is the right answer. The next question now. Which enzyme makes men more vulnerable to COVID-19 than women? So it is ACE2. We have discussed this enzyme in detail. ACE2 is responsible for making men more vulnerable to COVID-19 than women. The next question now. Telia Rumal cloth is famous in Telangana and it has got geographical indication tag recently. The next question now. FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana has been launched by? So this Yojana has been launched by Madhya Pradesh. So here D is the right answer for 22nd. Question number 23rd now. What was the rank of India in Global Energy Transition Index? So it was 74th. In this index, Sweden topped. The next question, 24th. Global Forest Resources Assessment Report 2020 is released by? This is released by Food Agriculture Organization. Before we move ahead, I want to tell you that next day we will upload the video of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. I have completed the first part of that video. I will upload that video tomorrow. Be prepared for that, and I will upload the next part in a few days later. Let's move ahead now. Lopinavir and ritonavir drugs are known to treat patients of, so it treats the patients of HIV infections. Next question, Oslo Peace Accords refers to, it refers to agreements between Israel and Palestine. So here C is the right answer. Question number 27th. What is the salary of governors of states? So it was increased in 2018-19 and it has been increased to rupees 3.5 lakh. Question number 28 now. The Amer Bhasa Dam is being built over, so it is being built over Indus River. So here B is the right answer. Question number 29th now. Goal, that is Going Online as Leaders program is an initiative of, so this is an initiative of Facebook and Ministry of Tribal Affairs. So here D is the right answer for question number 29th. Question number 30th now. The famous Beijing Declaration is related to, so it is related to equality for women. So share these videos with your friends, like the video if you find it useful, tell your score in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, wait for the upcoming video. Until then, stay at your home, stay safe, and thanks a lot.